Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to walk you through Agentic AI explained in a nutshell. And you know why this matters? Because understanding how AI moves from simple chatbots to autonomous agents capable of independent decision-making and complex task execution is the key to mastering the next evolution of IT automation. Let's break down the fundamentals of Agentic AI and how it transforms traditional workflows. In this video, we will cover what is Agentic AI, Agentic AI Job Roles, 3 core capabilities of Agentic AI, a beginner's guide to Agentic AI workflow, and finally, Agentic AI terms explained, so do not skip ahead. Watch all the way through to actually understand this properly. Quick note before we dive in, this channel shares practical IT tutorials every week, so if that's useful to you, hit subscribe and join our WhatsApp community linked in the description for more resources. Agentic AI refers to autonomous systems known as agents that perceive, reason, and act toward a specific goal with minimal human intervention. These systems are capable of making decisions, planning tasks, and adapting based on the feedback they receive. You'll find them being used for task automation, intelligent assistance, research agents, and workflow orchestration. If you are looking at roles in this space, the key positions include the AI agent developer, prompt engineer, and LLM orchestrator, alongside the AI automation expert and the AgentOps specialist. Moving further into specialized roles, we have the research agent creator and the AI workflow designer. You'll also find the AutoGPT, N8N, and LangGraph integrator, as well as the AI product builder and the multi-agent system architect. The first stage in our agentic framework is perception. This involves understanding instructions or goals and extracting data from documents, APIs, or tools. Importantly, this process remains context-aware and goal-sensitive at all times. Now that we've covered perception, the next step is reasoning. During this stage, the agent breaks tasks down into actionable steps, selects the appropriate tools or APIs, and makes dynamic decisions mid-execution. Now that we have covered perception and reasoning, the next step is action. In this stage, the agent executes its tasks using tools or APIs, monitors its progress to adjust plans accordingly, and coordinates with other agents whenever it is needed. To begin the process, we start with project setup. This involves defining the agent's goal or desired outcome, choosing the right environment and tools such as LangChain or N8N, and breaking the overall task down into smaller, manageable subgoals. Moving on from the initial setup, we now focus on memory and context handling. This requires using vector stores or memory modules, adding persistent memory to support multi-step tasks, and feeding context back into the loop to inform future decisions. With the project setup and memory systems in place, the next stage is tool and action selection. We connect the necessary APIs, databases, or platforms, teach the agent how and when to utilize them, and build the required planning and routing logic. Finally, we arrive at execution and feedback. The agent executes one or multiple actions, validates whether the outcomes remain on track, and loops through the plan until the task is successfully completed. At its core, an agent is an autonomous AI system designed to make decisions and take actions to reach a specific goal. Building on that autonomy, we have tool use, which gives the agent the ability to invoke external functions, such as APIs or various applications. To keep things consistent, the agent utilizes memory, which stores conversation history, variables, and past outputs to maintain long-term context. With those tools and memory in place, the agent relies on a planner module, which acts as the decision-making engine to determine the next best action. Finally, once that plan is set, the executor takes over as the part of the agent responsible for actually performing the chosen tasks or executing the tool calls. First, we have reflection, which is the process where agents evaluate their past steps in order to adjust their future actions. Building on that individual capability, we move to multi-agent systems, where a group of agents collaborates together to complete complex tasks. Next, we incorporate RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented generation, which adds external knowledge to these systems to make agents smarter. To actually build and manage these agents, Developers rely on popular frameworks such as LangChain, AutoGen, and CrewAI. Finally, we have AgentOps, which encompasses the specific tools and practices used for monitoring, managing, and debugging agents once they are in production. If you found this breakdown useful, hit subscribe and join our WhatsApp community in the description for more practical IT content every week. Thanks for watching. This channel is dedicated to providing knowledgeable content for IT professionals building their skills in Linux, cloud, DevOps, Python, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Subscribe to stay updated, and I will see you in the next one.